Omelets in a bag. I am really excited to try this. Now the first thing to remember is to start with a bag that's approved for boiling in water. And the second thing to remember is you gotta have fun. I'm just prepping all the ingredients first. I'm gonna slice off a little piece of green bell pepper. I'm gonna dice everything up pretty fine. I don't think it's gonna take too long to cook the omelets, so I don't wanna have huge chunks of veggies. I just grabbed whatever veggies I could get my hands on. I'm a big mushroom person when it comes to omelet. Okay, I'm gonna dice up just a little tomato. The good news is I'm not making a huge commitment by just making one omelet in a bag. It's nice to experiment with things like this before you really go whole hog. Okay, I've also got a green onion for extra flavor. And why not? I've got chives too. Open up your produce drawer and see where the world takes you. Okay, so now I'll put this thing together. Cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna start with 3 eggs. That's a pretty good size for an omelet. And I just decided to take the easy thing one step further and not even use a bowl to mix up the eggs. I'm gonna crack them right in the bag. And then very carefully use a fork to just break them up. I sure don't want to pierce a hole in the bag. And then everything just goes in. The peppers, tomatoes, some grated cheese, some thin deli ham. Of course, you could use bacon, sausage, anything you've got. And the green onions and chives. I'm getting stuff all over the place. And the shrooms. Needs a little bit of flavor, so I'll sprinkle in some salt and pepper. I gotta tell you, I love it already. Okay, I'm gonna seal it up and get most of the air out. It's so colorful and pretty, and I love the idea of making a bunch of these the night before. It would make the cooking process go so much faster than tending to a skillet. All right, here goes nothing. Drop the bag right into simmering water. Guess what? The 15 minutes are up and I cannot wait to see the results of these little hack experiments. Look at that omelet. I am so intrigued. Okay, I'm gonna set it down and just let it cool off a little bit. It is mighty hot. My dream is that this thing falls right out of the bag. It looks amazing. Wow, it's just so moist and perfect. I think it could use just a little garnish. I've still got some chives left.